In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove table formatting, how to remove the filters up here, and how to make a table without any bold fonts or any other formatting that is present. Let's start. Hi and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to easily make table formatting and remove it back. For instance, we have created such chart and it's not formatted yet. How to make it? Let's select the whole table. After that, go to Insert tab, click Table, and we will see the diapason that was appeared. Make sure that you have this hit up here. Click OK. Now we have previous table formatting. If we would like to change the color, then we have to mark any cell in this table. After that, we have a peer tab named Table Design. Go up here and choose Required Format. Let me choose something. I will choose this one. Okay. After that, I will select this row and center my content. That's good. Now we know that if our table has headers, then we can make automatically totals or anything else we want to be mentioned in this table. For example, if we are in this tab, we can click total row and the sum will be present up here. If we would see the average, then click average or max or anything you wish. How to clear this formatting? And in this case, we should again click on any cell in this table. And again, in table design, we have to click clear. Now all our format was cleared. Colored format, yes, but we have this left filter. Let's continue and remove all these features now. Again, click onto the data table, go to the table design, go to the group tools and click convert to range. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Click yes. Okay. Data were converted to a normal range of cells. Now, if we will click on any cell in this table, we won't see the tab Table Design. It disappeared because our table has no formatting. But what if, for example, you had the names marked with a bold like this, and after deleting formatting of the table, these names are left in such a way? How to make it the same format as in the column B, C, and E? How to do this? In this case, again, we should select the whole table, or we can select the whole page. Go to section Home and find Editing, Clear Formats. Yes, it works. Perfect. And now let's make this table in a nice view. Let's do formatting and put totals, for example. We should select the whole table, go to Insert, Table, the hit up here. My table has headers. We have checked it is present. Okay. Now go to Table Design, choose Required Format like this. Put here total row and select the second row by center. Okay, that's good. Use it, have fun, take care, till the next video. Bye bye.